Hey friends, Hattie here with Honeybee Stampers. I am putting together a little video of my craft space, my new craft space in our new home. I did this video before and I posted it on my YouTube. Then I never went back and showed you guys the finished results. So I thought it'd be fun to kind of take you on a quick little tour. I went from a nice large studio in town to this little tiny office in my new home, but it's perfect. I love it. It's still a work in progress, but this is kind of what it looked like before. I'm showing you a video of it was an office for the people who owned the home before us, and that was a built-in shelf there that you see. I I think it's a beautiful shelf, but I wanted to take it down because I had a lot of stuff coming from my studio back with me to this office, and I needed all the space that I could get. And so this is one of the closets here. You can see that it wasn't finished at the bottom. So we had to have a contractor come in and finish the walls here, put in like a little fake bottom right there, or I don't know what it's called, but something like that, and paint the walls and everything and get this room ready for some of my furniture that was coming from the studio. So they had the walls painted green, which I didn't love, so I wanted to change all of that up, give it a fresh coat of paint, and I was really excited about this. So that's the before. We got a little visitor there. Now, here's me opening the door to the after. We had the contractor come in. He removed that big shelf that was right there. And he's so talented. He took the shelf down in little pieces and then he took it over to my husband's man cave or his playroom or whatever you want to call it. And he built a totally different shelf out of it using those pieces and some additional pieces. So it was really cool. But, anyways, here's the space. No more green paint. It's all white, bright, fun. And then this is the closet space again. And you see the floor is finished there. And yeah, it looks really great. Fresh coat of paint inside here as well. And yeah, very narrow little closet, but I am like the queen of shoving things into small spaces. So I put all kinds of boxes and bins in there. Anyways, now here is a video of my room after I've put some furniture in there and some decorations. And again, like I said, it's a work in progress. This is actually an older video, it's taken maybe almost a year ago, and I've made some changes to it even since this video. So if you enjoy watching craft room tours and you want to see what's behind all those doors and how I've organized my items, then definitely comment. Let me know if that's something you're interested in, and then I'll take some time to do a video that shows you just that. I love I love organizing my craft space almost as much as I do stamping. Isn't that crazy? I have a hard time keeping it organized, which I think some of you guys can empathize with me on that. But yeah, I do love all of the things that all of those bins or those organizers right there from Stamp and Storage, such a great company to use for your craft supplies. And then, of course, all that IKEA furniture that you see. So here's that little tiny space. I was able to shove some Calyx units back there and continue to organize my stuff. So, yep, that's it. This is where I work. There's my desk where I do most of my work, and I do some videos from there. Got more organizing to do, and but I hope you enjoyed that.